In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall DuckDuckGo from Windows completely. So for it, you need to go to your Windows search option, right over here setting, go to setting, then click on apps, then click here install apps, and here you need to search for DuckDuckGo. Here you can see. So we need to click on this three dot, click here uninstall, then click on uninstall again, and there you can see it is uninstalled from our system. After that, you need to go to your folder, go to local disk C, then go to user folder, then go to this user folder. So inside users folder, there is onward user folder, and inside it, you need to look for app data folder. So if you do not see the app data folder, then you need to click on view, click on show, then you need to check these hidden items. Okay. So then you will see this app data folder. So go inside, then go inside local, and here you need to look for DuckDuckGo folder. So if it exists over here, DuckDuckGo folder, then you need to delete it. Then you can also check the roaming folder as well. And if there is any DuckDuckGo folder over here, you can just delete that folder from here. So yeah, this is how you can uninstall DuckDuckGo folder completely from your system. So here we still have the icon. So I'm just going to delete this and it's done. So this is how you can completely uninstall DuckDuckGo from Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.